see what's in my phone. I know why you here. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can see from the title, ooh, we about to get real intimate right now. I love you guys so much that I'm doing this for y'all, and I cannot believe I'm doing this. I've waited a while just to make sure I had everything that I wanted and I needed on my new iPhone, and it's lit, y'all. So we're about to go through the DMs, period. First things first. I just want y'all to know right now, like, Instagram, my Instagram right now is on fire because I just posted some hot shit. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I have on my phone here. So let's get into it. First thing you see is my lock screen, which is a photo that I just recently posted. It's of me. Then when you open my phone, so when I unlock my phone, you see my aesthetic background. First thing I have at the top, I have my messages, my calendar, and my weather. So I'm just going through showing you guys, you know, places I've been or whatever. And then my next I have is my FaceTime. So that's my FaceTime duo, my contacts. Fun folder that I have is my entertainment. Now my entertainment is everything to me. I use it all the time, and yeah. So this is my entertainment: my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Gmail, Netflix, my photos, my camera, my TikTok. And then when you swipe, it's Amazon Prime, Hulu, and then Apple TV. The next folder over is my finance folder app. I have Chase, Capital One, my Dayforce, my wallet, my retirement, where I pay my rent, Venmo, Cash App. Oh my God. When you swipe over, it is my TurboTax, stocks, LinkedIn, some files, T-Mobile, and yeah. The next folder is my photo editing, and this is extremely important to me because most of the time I do edit my photos just a little nip and tuck. It's like surgery, okay? Okay, so it's my Beauty Plus, Photo Wonder, PixArt, Afterlight, Photo Grid, Lens Buddy, Clips, and when you swipe over, PicMonkey. My next folder is editing for YouTube. Now this is extremely important because this is how I edit all my videos on YouTube. So I have iMovie, Image Edge, YouTube Studio, and that is extremely important because that's where I check my stats and see how good my video is doing. And if you guys are YouTubers, you will have this. So yeah, Fonto, Perfect Video, Magic Eraser, and KineMaster, and Supreme X. My music app, I have my hot songs on my Apple Music, Shazam, iTunes, and my Alexa. My next folder is my health. That's my tracker, my health, my heart rate, my insurance, books, home, as you guys can see, shopping, Amazon. I love Amazon. I DoorDash like every day. Instacart, I Instacart like every couple weeks or whatever. I have Postmates, Starbucks, Resy, and the Apple Store. And what did I just open? Oh yeah, I had something delivered today. So I was just showing you guys on Instacart. What else? My Airbnb, that's where I've recently been. Lyft, Uber. This is to rent cars when I go out of town, the Turbo, whatever. My work folder, so that's my notes, extremely, extremely important. I have everything in my notes. Y'all be sleeping on the notes. I'm telling y'all, I feel like everybody be sleeping on the notes. I use my notes, like if I open this up, you guys will see, like, it's no joke, okay? I have my passwords, like everything, okay? So my calendar, this is like for work. Like I use my translator, because I am in the retail business. So I do use my translator, like my measuring tape, find my iPhone, compass, voice memos, and of course my calculator when I need to calculate these coins. So next I'm gonna go into what's very important to y'all, my Instagram. So right now I have 4 messages. Well, on here I have 4 messages. Right now it's more messages on here. It's ridiculous because I just made a post. But anyways, so this is me scrolling through Instagram. But yeah, scrolling through Instagram. This is my Instagram page. If you're not following me, follow me. I'm just gonna scroll through really quick. Like a couple pics. Alexis Sky, I liked her picture today. I like JT's picture, of course. I love JT. Because it's motherfucking city girls.
Period. 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 Period.
Period. And yeah, I'm just showing y'all what I usually do, whatever. Scroll through. On Netflix, this is what I was watching last night, Selling Sunset. That's one of my favorite shows. I watched all of the series. And then let's go into these photos. Let's get down to business. As y'all can see, y'all don't see anything because it's all me. My TikTok, don't really be on there a lot. Just post stuff like for YouTube or whatever, which I need to get into TikTok. You know what I'm saying? What else did I go into? My wallet, my retirement. You guys already seen that. So I just kind of clicked through some things or whatever. So now I'm gonna show you guys like me editing. So I usually go through Beauty Plus, and like for example, I did have like a blemish on my face. I got rid of it, but I'm just showing you guys. When you zoom in, you can kind of still see it. So this is just how I get rid of it, by doing this. And as you guys can see, sometimes when you click this a couple of times, like something will pop up, but I'm just showing you guys how to get rid of blemishes and stuff like that. We can do one of those videos later on if you guys want. Just thumbs up this video, okay? And you know, this is my yeah, this is still through Beauty Plus. I was gonna show y'all something, but I'm not trying to give away too many secrets. Maybe next time. So yeah, so now we're going in Photo Grid. I use this to make collages, you guys. So if you guys don't know how to do that, I'm sure everybody knows how to do collages. So I just picked, for example, 2 photos that I recently took and did a little collage. I'm also gonna show you guys, what am I gonna show you guys? Never mind, that was it. That was it. Okay, so that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. It went pretty fast because it went fast. If you guys like little videos like this, I can do more, especially when it comes to editing videos and how I take my pictures and stuff. Just let me know in the comments below if you're feeling this, or you think I should add some stuff to my folders, or you think I should get rid of some stuff. Just let me know, you guys, because I know you guys have a lot of feedback. And I actually did a poll, and I asked this morning, so I asked 5 hours ago, should I film a what's on my iPhone Pro Max? And 67 people said yes and 33 said no. So of course 67 people won. You guys are nosy, you want to see what I have on my phone, and I just showed you. If you want to see more of these videos, more contents like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye.